Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a share for you today. I don't have a project. I just wanted to get you guys introduced to our March Disney Madness. And this is with Luisa and Eve Ara here on YouTube and Instagram. So for the whole month of March, we're going to be creating a Trapper Keeper so that we can create some Disney themed projects and put them all in the Trapper Keeper. And then also as part of the Trapper Keeper, there's going to be a little bit of a junk journal included within it. And so the idea was we were going to make 2 Trapper Keepers, one for each of the ladies. So I'm making one for Luisa and Eve, and then they're making one for me also. Okay, so what I really wanted to do was share some digital collections that I had purchased on Etsy, and I'm going to try to work with these collections. Now, I purchased a few. They're very affordable, but the reason I got a few is because some had only background paper, and then some had like SVGs. So I purchased several. These are the names of the shops. This first one is Sublimation Factory. I did not print and cut these items yet. These are SVG cuts, so clip art basically. This is a different collection. And then there's Arts Paper Crafts, and it's a digital paper set. I'm sorry guys, it's late and my brain is a little bit of slow motion right now. And so I purchased this one for the Mickey themed paper sets. And then I don't even know how to say this one. Chibisi. I purchased this. It has like 50 different Mickey Mouse head themed background papers. And what I mean is it looks something like this. And there's different styles and colors. So that's another one right there. So I've only, oh no, that's a different collection. This one's from a different collection. So that was one. And then Crazy Designer is Mickey Mouse SVG bundles. I did not cut those out yet either. So these are just, you know, like I said, I want to just share with you what I found on Etsy. So the last one is Creative Craft, and there's like a baby theme. And so I wanted to show, so this is what their papers look like. There's no ephemera pieces. It's just background paper. And they look like this. I love this one. So that's the paper collection. And I printed this cover page small so that I'm not wasting my ink. All right, so here's some of the papers. I printed this one twice. Oh, I printed them all twice, but I didn't print every design. So here's the little hands, and I printed them in portrait style. Okay, and there's that other bow right there. And I printed it twice. And then this one is the Mickey heads, and they have little hearts in the middle of their heads. And there's a few more, but I printed these for now just to see what parts I could use it for in my Trapper Keeper. And then this one is the let me see. I want to say, I think it's the Crazy Designer papers. So, and I only printed one from that collection. I love it. It's so cute. And then this one is that one with the 50 Mickey head paper backgrounds. And it's not just the Mickey heads. There's also like graphic designs, but it's in the more traditional color. Okay, so this one is the, what is this one? Arts Paper Crafts, I think it is. I think so. Let me see. Gosh, guys, I'm so sorry. It's late. It's so late. Yeah, I think this is Arts Paper Crafts. So anyway, it's a park theme collection. And I believe it's the same one that Luisa and Eve also purchased. So, I mean, you just go on Etsy and search for Pastel Disney or Pastel Mickey and Minnie, and it will pull up all that, all those shops that have the background paper, clip art, SVG, everything. You know, all that good stuff. So let me put these in a container. I literally just cut these out. These pieces, what I did, I took one of the background papers. Didn't realize that I had purchased the clip arts, like SVG cuts. So you can, instead of doing what I did, you could just simply open the SVG and cut it out with using that rather than, I pulled it up in Cricut Design Space and I used a shape from one of the shape options and just sliced each piece out. So like a cookie cutter. So I did it the long way. Don't do that. If you purchase this collection, it should have those clip arts. The other thing I wanted to share were the fabrics that I might want to incorporate. I just found these at Walmart. It's not pastel, but I figured I love that they're the faces. And it's got Mickey, Minnie, Daisy, Donald, and Goofy. So I thought that was cute. This one is the more traditional Mickey. Look at his face. Isn't he cute? And I figured maybe I could try to scan this into my computer. Look at her. Isn't she cute? And print them out, like, have it like digital paper. So I thought that was cute too. Little like comic book style. And then this one here, I mean, it's so cute. And then I found these, and these are just the fat quarters. And if you don't know, it's an 18 by 21 inch piece of fabric. But look, it looks like denim in pink, right? It's so pretty. I picked 2 of those up. And then there was this one, another comic style. And look at Minnie and Daisy. How cute. And then you got Mickey and Pluto and Goofy and Donald. How cute. I really love it. It's another fat quarter. But these I picked up all at Walmart. And I figure if I can figure it out, I will, and I'll share it with you. But those are the fabrics that I'm going to attempt to include it in my projects. Now, I do have a bin, one of these, I don't know, iris bin. And I plan on using up some of this stuff in my stash. So hopefully I can use up the items in here. So there's some stickers in here I might want to scan. This is from my son. We took them to Disneyland, and yeah, so this one is from Dollar Tree. And yeah, just got lucky when they were carrying a bunch of it. And then they have this one, and there's some puffy stickers. I used some of this, the puffy stickers. And there you go. This one has a little bit of glitter. And this one's the foil. And then this is just the glossy sticker. So I used it. So anyway, and here's just the same thing, but in different styles. So look at the gang. Love them. He's so cute. So the only thing is I cannot scan these into my computer because the foil, it'll just come up as black. And I don't like that. But look at him. So fun. So I have some stickers. You guys, I had this in my collection, but it's Christmas. Disney Christmas time. And then I have some cardstock in here that I've pulled out before, and then some leftover pieces from a long time ago. These are Doodlebug, and then back when I was doing the t-shirts, you know, the little paper t-shirts. And then I have some of these little ephemera pieces that I was using when I was crafting for Ebony. This one is from Daiso. I had purchased this from Texas. And some crochet pieces that I was using. And then here's a little mini album. This is the KS Crafts camera, Polaroid camera, or Instax camera. But I cut this out in Valentine's paper. So look at how cute. You can put your photos on there. Very cool. I like that. And then I had some stickers here that I used. I used up some of these stickers, you know, little bits and pieces. And some puffy stickers I used up too. It's just a bunch of used stickers. I even kept my scraps. And then here's my paper pad. I've already shared this before. These are just the same paper pads. And I made a Mickey Mouse head with this one, but it broke. And then I have some cards. We'll see. That's good for junk journal. I even have a calendar in here. Oh my gosh, you guys. And so basically I have, this is my stash for as far as working with papers and stuff. And hopefully I can incorporate some of these. All right, let me move this out of the way. Oops. Oopsie. Now, I have these dies that I've had worked with in previous projects. Most recently, Ebony's birthday challenge. I made a embellishment book for her, and she could use it as a mini album. But this is also, I think this one's also from KS Crafts, if I'm not mistaken. And it comes, this mini album comes with a bow, because you could use it as Mickey or Minnie. Mickey or Minnie Mouse. So here's that. Here's that beautiful bow. All right. And there's the layering pieces to add to the Mickey Mouse album. So that's one. And then I purchased a few from Ally. I didn't use all of them. I tried to, but I did not succeed. I did use these. These are a bunch of the park snacks, the Dole Whip, the popcorn. There's even a donut in here. It's so tiny. And I played with those. This one says love. It's got the Mickey, and then this one's the hands and the feet. I think all of us have this already. And then this one is Mouse Memories. It's just a word die. And then this one's just a balloon, which is cute. I got 3 balloons. And I don't believe I used any of them. I did use this one. I did not use this one for some reason. And I did use this, which I thought was so cute. And you could just cut these and paper piece them. They're little pockets. And then I use this one, which is cute, cute, cute. I did use this, and I use this one. This is KS Crafts, the castle. These are the words. Say cheese, fun at the park, fantasy, and magical. And then here's that little teeny tiny die Luisa made me buy. Oh, so funny. And then this one's Christmas, but I put all the Mickey dies in this Ziploc. This one's Halloween. It's the haunted house, or the haunted mansion. And then here's KS Crafts pretzel die. Love this. I love this. It's the backpack. It's got the Minnie Mouse bow on there. This one is that Instax camera I just showed you. This one is the little fan, and you can make a Mickey Mouse out of it. There's a mouse head in here. So got that. And then I use this one on Ebony's. It's the little border strips. So the stars and the hands and the head. Here's the little Memdex. I don't think I will use that, but it's there. Here's another castle version. It just has flowers. And it's got, it's so pretty. When I cut this out, I cut this one out in gold. It's gorgeous. And then here's the Mickey heads. That's cute. I used this one. And I did not use this one. Yeah, I didn't use this one. This one I did use. Did I? No, I did not use this one. And I did not use this one. I did not use this one, and I did not use this one. And this one. So it was hard. I used a lot of my dies, but, you know, majority of them, there was just a few, a handful, I did not get a chance to cut into. So my goal is to try to use more of them. Hopefully, I don't know, no guarantees. And hopefully I can use them in my project and make it make sense. You know, sometimes you start cutting things and then you don't use them. That's why I have a bunch of stuff in my iris bins. So that's it. Doesn't mean that I won't get any more dies from my regular stash and make it Disney themed, like bows and what else? Bows and trims and stuff like that. So anyway, that's it, guys. If you want to join along with us, you could just follow the hashtag here on YouTube and Instagram. Hashtag March Disney Madness, no spaces. And you'll be able to see all our videos. You don't have to, you know, you don't have to do anything. You just follow the hashtag. Or if you do craft along with us for the month of March, use your hashtag here, and that will share with us what you all are creating. Because, you know, it's always fun to get some inspiration from others that love to craft. And, yeah, just refresh the creative juices. So thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you on the next crafty video. And, yeah, don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. For Luisa, who is My Crafty Boutique Co. here on YouTube and Instagram, and Eve Otter 101. I'll leave all the links in the description box down below. So thank you all again, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.